question number 31. First, integers priority or not? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel or not? What are the remaining fractions? 2 by 7, 2 by 21 and 1 by 14. Again minus 1, it will become plus 1. Okay. Next, what are the fractions? 2 by 7 minus 2 by 21 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 42 or not? What is the LCM value? 42. 7 how many times? 6 times. 6 2s are 12. 21 2 times. Minus 4. 14 3 times. 42 1 time or not? 3 plus 1 4. 4 cancel or not? 12 by 42 means 6 2s are 6 7s are. Then answer 1 2 by 7. Next 32 question. Left hand side 5 how many times? 15. 3 times or not? Okay. Next 11 how many times? 93. 8 times. Again 5 times or not? 17 almost 5 times or not? Okay. What is the remaining value in left hand side? 6 3 4 5 or not? 5 into 4 20. 20 how many times? 100. 10 times or not? Then question mark equal to 10 by 18 or not? 10 by 18 means 5 by 9. Next 33. First 1 4 by 9 means 13 by 9. 45 1 by 7. 7 40s, 7 5s are 7 1s are. 7 40s 280. 7 5s are 35. 3 1 5 plus 1. 3 1 6 by 7 into 63 by 2 or not? Denominator 9 7s are, numerator 63 cancel or not? 2 again how many times? 1 5 8 or not? Ending with 4. How many options? 2 options. 13 into 150. 1950 or not? 13 15s nothing but 100 times plus 50 times or not? What are the 100 times? 1300. 50 times 650. 13 8s how much? 104. Ending with 54 or not? Total it is 2054. Or else multiple of 13 or not? What is the numerator? 13. Next 34. First priority left hand side 2665 divided by which one? 41. 41 how many times? 266. 6 times or not? What is the remaining value? 20. Nothing but 205. 5 times or not? 84 minus 65. 19 or not? What is the 19 square? 361. Out of 361 we are subtracting 296. Answer 65. Next question number 35. First we are adding the 3 1 1 1 1 or not? First digit of every value or not? 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 1 or not? Or else plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 3 minus 2 means 1. Again right hand side already 1. Total it will be 0 or not? Okay. What are the last 3 digits of every value? 885 minus 850. How much? 885 minus 850. 3. 885 minus 850. How much? 335 or only 35? Only 35. 885 minus 850. What is the difference? 35. 035 or not? Okay. Minus 350 and here 885 or not? Add the last two values. 885 minus 335. What is the difference? 550 అన్నాడు. 0.550. Next, in this one we are subtracting how much value? 350 అన్నాడు. Minus 0.350 అన్నాడు. First two values are adding and third one are subtracting అన్నాడు. 550, 350 difference 200. 200 plus 35, 235. Ending with 35, 235. How many options? Only one అన్నాడు. First two values and last two values. Again middle value subtracting. Next question number 36. 240% of which one? 165 minus 80% of 275. 240% of 165. This one we written 165% of 240 or not. Okay. What is the 100%? 240. 50%? 120. 240 plus 120, 360 or not. Next, 150% 360 means 15%, 36 or not. 165 means 15 verse 150 plus 15 or not. Minus 80% of which one? 275 means 100% minus 20% or not. What is the 100% value? 275. Minus of minus plus or not. What is the 10% of 275? 27.5. 20%, 55 or not. Okay. Minus 275 plus 55. Minus 220 or not. 360 minus 220. 140. 140 plus 36. 176. Or verify the units position or not. Minus 5 plus 5 cancel. 0 plus 6 means 6 or not. Ending with 6. How many options? 2 options or not. Okay. What is the answer? 176 or 156? 176. Next 37. Something square divided by 16 into 12 minus 3014 equal to 58. Something square, it is equal to 3014 plus 58. How much? 3072. Divide by 16 becomes into 16 by 12 or not. Okay. Sorry Andy, reverse rasana actually 16 by 12. 12 how many times? 2 times. What is the remaining value? 67. 5 times again 6 times or not. 256 means 16 or not. 16 means 4. 16 4 the 64. Question number 38. Verify the units position or not. Okay. First right hand side value actually positive. It will become left hand side negative or not. Okay. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. 10 minus 7 3. Ending with 3 or not. How many options? Only one or not. 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. 10 minus 7 ending with 3 or not. Next question number 39. Verify the units position or not. ఎవరికన్నా డౌట్ ఉందా ఇంకా దాంట్లో? నెక్స్ట్ 39. 4.3 into 122.5 divided by 3.5 divided by 0.07. Continuation division or not. Okay. 4.3 into 122.5 divided by 3.5 into 0.07 or not. Numerator how many decimals? 2 or 3? 2 decimals. Denominator 3 decimals. Then answer must be multiplied by 10 or not. How many options are multiplied by 10? How many options are divisible by 10? Only one option or not. That is the answer. Numerator decimals are 2 decimals but denominator 3 decimals. Then answer must be ending with 0 or answer must be multiple of 10 or not. Next question number 40. 3.2 into 45 minus 11 equal to 13 square minus something square. 45 3 is how much? 135. 45 into 2. 9 or not? 135 plus 9, 144 minus 11, how much? 133. It is subtracted from 169. 169 minus 133, 36. 36 is which one square? 6 square or not? 46. It is related to which topic? Compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest. Okay. If the sum invested by him amounts to 23,040 after how many years? 2 years. And 27,648 after 3 years. And what is the rate of interest person per annum offered by scheme A or scheme B? Scheme A. Successive years amounts are given or not? One is second year amount, another one third year amount. Nothing but successive years amounts or not? Okay. Successive years amounts, nothing but difference will be interest value or principal value? Interest value. What is the interest value? 4608. It is interest value or not? Interest is calculated in previous year amount or not? What is the previous year amount? 23040 or not? Converted to which one? Percent. Multiplied by 100 or not? What is the 10% of denominator? 2304. Obviously double or not? Nothing but 20%. ABC started a business together. The respective ratio of investments of A and B was 4:5 and B and C was 10:7. All of them invested for equal period of time. If the total profit earned by them was how much? 18,575. What is the A share or B share? A share. How many ratios are given? 2 ratios. But we required relation between 3 persons or 2 persons? 3 persons. Then equate the which one parts? B parts or A parts? B parts. What is the B value in first case? 5 parts. Second one, 10 parts. What is the LCM? 10 or not? 5 comma 10 LCM. 10. 5 how many times? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Either 8:10 or 4:5. Both are in same. C value is how many parts? 7 parts or not? Total how many parts? 25 parts. What is the 25 parts value are given? 18,575. We required which one share? A share. How many parts we need? 8 parts or not? 25 sevens are how much? 175. What is the remaining value? 120. 107. 107 means 4 times. Again 3 times or not? 743 into 8 ending with 4. How many options are ending with 4? All the options are ending with 4 or not? 8 3s are how much? 24. 4 return 2 carry or not? 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34 ending with 4 4. Only one option or not? Which option? Fifth option. What is the final answer? 5944. 56 plus 2 59. Next question number 48. The height and base of a triangle is equal to the which one? Length and breadth of a rectangle. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 90 and the difference between the length and breadth of a rectangle is 7, what is the area of the triangle or not? Okay. First, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is how much? 90. Then L plus B value 45 or not? And one more difference between L and B is given how much? 7. L minus B value is how much? 7 or not? Then we are get the L value and B value or not? Okay. Both are adding by 2. We are get the L value or not? Both are adding 52. By 2 means 26. What is the breadth value? 26 minus 7 or not? How much? 19. If we required length value, both are adding by 2. We required breadth value, both are subtracting by 2. What is the question here? Area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle formula? Half into base into height. But here base value and height value are length and breadth. What is the breadth of a rectangle? 19. What is the length of the rectangle? 26. Then answer half into 19 into 26 or not? 2 how many times? 13 times or not? Ending with 7. How many options? Only one or not? Next question number 49. Question is related to areas or not? Okay. What are the last two lines? What is the difference between the circumferences of two given circles or not? Okay. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. But here how many circles? Two circles or not? One is 2 pi r2, another one 2 pi r1. Then we return 2 pi of r2 minus r1 or not? We require difference of their circumferences means 2 pi of which one? R2 minus R1. Pi nothing but 11 multiple or not? How many options? Only one or not? And one more. The radius of the circle with center B is how much? 3.5 more than the radius of circle with center A. Nothing but second one radius compared to first one radius, how much value or more? 3.5 more. Means R2 minus R1 equal to how much value? 3.5. 3.5 means we return 7 by 2 or not? Okay. 2 pi nothing but we return 2 into 22 by 7 into R2 minus R1 7 by 2 or not? 7 7 cancel, 2 2 also cancel or not? Answer 22. Next question number 50. The average weight of 32 students of a class was 56.5 kgs. After 8 new students joined in the class, its average weight is increased by 1.5 kgs. What is the average weight of the 8 new students who joined in the class or not? Okay. Initially how many students? 32 students. What is the average? 56.5 or not? Again how many students are added? 8 students. We need to identify the 8 students average or not? Okay. After adding the 8 students, the average weight is increased by how many kgs? 1.5. Already 56.5. Then total average 58 or not? 58 is the average of how many students? 40 students or 32 students? 40 students or not? Minimum, maximum, mean or not? Definitely question mark will be more than 58 or less than 58? More than 58. How many options are more than 58? All the options are not. Okay. What is the difference between 58 and 56.5? 1.5. Okay. What is the ratio between 32 and 8? 4:1. In place of 1, how many parts we are getting? 1.5 or not? 1 means 1.5. Then 4 means 6 or not? If it is 6 means question mark must be 64 or not? (51) related to question number 51 is related to simple interest and compound interest. A certain sum of money is invested for 6 years in scheme A, which offers simple interest at a rate of 18.5% per annum. The simple interest obtained from scheme A is equal to the amount obtained when 3/4 times of the same sum of money is invested in different scheme B, and that also offers simple interest, but if the sum is invested for 4 years in scheme B. What is the question here? What is the rate of interest offered by scheme B or scheme A? Scheme B. We require rate of interest of scheme B or scheme A? Scheme B. First, what is the rate of person in scheme A? 18.5. How many years are given? 6 years. Okay. And one more point are given. The simple interest is obtained from scheme A is equal to the amount obtained when 3/4 times of the same sum of money is invested in different scheme B or not? Okay. Nothing but scheme A investment is how many parts? 4 parts. Scheme B investment are 3 parts or not? Scheme A investment 4 parts. Scheme B investment 3 parts. What is the rate of person in scheme A? 18.5. How many years are given? 6 years. Nothing but 6 into 18.5 not. 6 into 18.5. 6 18s are 108. 6 into half 3. Total it is 111% or not. 111% of how many parts? 3 parts or 4 parts? 3 parts or not. It is interest on scheme A or scheme B? Scheme A. Next, it is also equal to the amount obtained from 3 by 4 times of the same sum of money invested in scheme B or not. Means interest in first one, it is also equal to the amount of which one? B or not. Okay. What is the rate of person in B? Suppose the rate of person in B are R person. Time is given 4 years. Interest value 4R person. Only interest 4R person. Only interest value 4R person. Already principal 100%. Amount value 100% plus 4R person or not. Only principal 100%. Only interest 4R. Amount value 100 plus 4R person or not. Then this one we return 100% plus 4R person. Already we know the 100% value is how many parts? 4 parts or 3 parts? 4 parts or not? Sorry, 111% of 3 parts value or 4 parts value? 4 parts or not? 111% of 4 parts means it is interest on first one or second one? First one. Second case, what is the principal value? 3 parts plus interest value 4R person. Actually, amount means we return 100% plus 3R. 3R or 4R? 4R. 4R percent of which value? Principal or amount? Principal. Principal is how many parts? 3 parts. These two are equal value or different value? Equal value. 111% of 4 parts means it is interest in scheme A. Next, 100 plus 4R% of 3 parts means it is amount received from scheme B or not. Both values are equal or different? Equal. 3 how many times 111? 37 times or not? 37 into 4 parts or not? 37 into 4 parts, it is equal to 100 plus 4R or not? And one more, both side PP also cancel or not? Both side parts also cancel or not? 37 into how much value? 4. It is equal to 100 plus 4R or not? 100 plus 4R. Because both side percentage are cancel or not? 37 into 4 means 148 minus 100. 48. 4R equal to 48 means R value 12% or not? Next question number 52. Suresh marks the price of a shirt 35% above the actual cost price and then sells at a discount of how much percent? 20% on the market price. What is the profit percent earned by him? Nothing but we required net profit or not? Okay, net profit. What is the initial percentage? 100%. 35% more means 135. In that how much percent our discount is offered? 20%. What is the 20% of 135? 27. 135 minus 27. 108%. How much percent are gain? 8% or not? First time 35% increase or decreased? Increased. Second time 20% decreased or not? Then overall net increased or decreased value 8% or not? Increase or decreased? Increased. Next 53. A can do a piece of work in how many days? 40 days. After he had worked for how many days? 10 days. B replaced him. B completed the remaining work in how many days? 15 days. In how many days can B alone finish the entire work or not? What is the 1 day work of A? 1 by 40. But he worked on it for 10 days or not? He worked on it for 10 days. Means how much work are completed? 1 by 4th. What is the remaining work? 3 by 4. That 3/4 will be completed by only B or not? Okay. Means out of 4 parts, 3 parts is completed by B. How much time are taken? 15 days or not? 3 parts are 15 days means 1 part are 5 days. But we required B can complete the whole work. Answer 20 days or not. Okay. What is the A completed work? 10 by 40 means 1/4 are completed or not. Next, what is the B work? 3 by 4 means 3 parts are completed in how many days? 15 days. But we required how many parts? 4 parts. 4 parts is 20 days or not. Next question number 54. A tank has how many inlets? 2 inlets related to pipes and cisterns. A and B function together to fill the tank in how many hours? 24 hours. A fill the tank twice as fast as which one? B. How much time will A alone take to fill the tank independently or not? Okay. What is the together time? 24 hours. But here A twice as fast as the which one? B. Nothing but it is efficiency or time? Efficiency. Suppose B efficiency are 1 part, A efficiency are 2 parts. A and B together efficiency 2 plus 1 or 2 minus 1? 2 plus 1. But together time is how many hours? 24 hours or not? 2 plus 1 into 24. Nothing but efficiency into time or not? Means work or time? Work. The same work is completed by which one? A alone. A efficiency is how many parts? 2 parts into time or not? 2 how many times? 12 times or not? 3 into 12. 36 hours. Next question number 55. If the total price of 8 tables and 14 chairs is given 2320, what is the total price of 20 tables and 35 chairs or not? Okay. First case, how many tables? 8 tables. Second one, 20 tables. Nothing but 2.5 times or not? 2.5 times or not? Next, first case, how many chairs? 14 chairs. Second case, 35 chairs. How many times? 2.5 times. Left hand side 2.5 times means right hand side also 2.5 times or not? What is the right hand side value? 2320. It is multiplied by how many times? 2.5 times or not? 2.5 means we return 5 by 2 or not? 5 by 2. 2 how many times? 1160 or not? Answer ending with 800 or not? How many options? Just we are taken 2.5 times or 5 times? 2.5. 2.5 means 5 by 2. Individual values left hand side 2.5 times means right hand side also 2.5 times. Next question number 56. Approximations or not? What is the first one? 156. Second value 294. Third one 300 or not? Okay. 294 plus 6 300. 300 plus 300 600 plus 150 750 or not? Next 57th. What is the first value? 45. Second one 65. 45 into 65. Both are adding how much? 110. 110 by 2. 55. Compared to 55, 45 how much value less? 10 less. Compared to 55, 10 less. 10 more or not? Compared to 55, 45, 10 less. Compared to 55, 65, 10 more or not? What is the 55 square? 3025. What is the 10 square? 100 or not? Subtracting 2925. In this one, how much value are adding? 5. Total answer 2930 or not? 55 స్క్వేర్ రాసిండు, ఏందో 10 స్క్వేర్ రాసిండు. తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలా? అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నా. ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్. 45 means 55 minus 10. 65 means 55 plus 10. A plus B into A minus B. 58. Continuation division or not? First term is the numerator, remaining two terms are denominator, product or not. 42 into which one? 2 or not? Okay, first 42 how many times numerator? 1 0 1 0 or not? 1 0 1 0 divide by 2, 5 not 5. Next 59, what is the numerator value? 836, denominator 21, less than 40 times or not? 21 4 the how much? 840 or not? Then answer must be nearby 40 times or not? Which option? Third option. 21 4 the 84 or not? Next question number 60. 12 cube or 11 cube? 12 cube. What is the 12 cube? 1 7 2 8. What is the nearby value? 1730. పేపర్ అంతా ఇలా కనిపిస్తే బాగుంటుంది కదా. 61, regular pie chart. What is the total members? 2200. All the data given in percentage or value? Percentage. What is the first question? We required which one? C value or not? C means how much percent? 14%. 14% of which one? 2200. Nothing but 14 into 22 or not? 11 multiple ending with 8. How many options? Only one or not? Okay. Next question number 62. Ratio are required or not? Ratio or percentage? Percentage. Is by half or not? What is the D value? 11%. What is the E value? 16% or not? Then answer 11 by 16 into 100 or not? Already we know 1 by 16 value or not? What is the 1 by 16 value? తెలుసు అన్నారు కదా, చెప్పండి. 1 by 16 6.25 or not? How many times we need? 11 times or not? 11 6 are 66. More than 66 but less than 70 or not? How many options? Only one or not? Greater than 60 but less than 70 or not? 63. Total number of people attending the workshop. A and D together is what percent of which one? B value or not? Question చదవటం అవసరమా? A and D together is what percent of which one? B value. What is the A percentage? 27. D percentage? 11. Total 38. It is what percent of B value? 32 into 100 or not? Okay. How many options are? Numerator is more than the denominator or not? Then answer must be more than 100% or less than 100%? More than 100%. How many options are more than 100%? Third option, fourth option and fifth option. We are concentrate on 120% or not? Because all the last three options are nearby 120% or not? What is the 100% value? 32. 100% 32. What is the 50%? 16. మనకి 50 అవసరం లేదు కదా, 20 కదా కావాల్సింది. What is the 10%? 3.2. 20%? 6.4. 32 plus 6.4, 38.4. 100 plus 20, 120%. What is the 120% value? 38.4. Then answer must be less than 120 but nearby 120. Which option? Fifth option or fourth option? Fifth option. Next, ratio అనుకుంటే కావాల్సింది. What is the C percentage? 14. What is the B percentage? 32. 14 and 32 means 7 and 16. 7 is to 16. 65. Females are how much percent? 25%. Obviously required male value. Male is how much percent? 75%. 75% of E value or not? What is the E percentage? 16%. 75% of 16% of which one? 2200. 2200 means it is 11 multiple or not? How many options? First option Fourth option or not? I think fifth option also 11 multiple or not? Okay, wait. 75% means it is 3 by 4 or not? Into 16%. Nothing but 16 into 22 or not? 16% of 2200 means 16 into 22. 4 how many times? 4 times. 3 4 the 12. 12 into 2, 24. Ending with 4, 11 multiple. Fourth option or not? 12 into 22 how much? 264. Okay, thank you.